Well guys, we got a little bit bored and it's been raining for a couple of days. We're just tired of being inside with nothing to do, so finally broke down and had to come outside and tinker a little bit. But I took Rooney's advice on a video there. I have a paper I wrote down here. There we go. I kind of lost a piece, but wrote down what he said there and hooked it up. Pretty sure I got it all hooked up right. I just gotta figure out what I did with the key though. There we go. So turns over, but I got no sparks, so I think the coil shot. So. But it does turn over to auxiliary. I'm not sure if that works or not. Yeah, we don't have it on there. I thought that one had the cigarette lighter, but I know the Hydro does. But yeah, it goes all the way over like your Rooney there, all the way over, and then right there in the middle it kills it, and all the way over on and turn over. So keep on taking the keys out. You can leave them in there, but got it all hooked up. But eventually, I need to go through some wires and whatnot. Cause like this wire here, I actually, okay, no, I just figured out where that wire goes. So this goes to auxiliary. It's for the cigarette lighter. So I haven't hooked the one up. Oh well. But yeah. So hopefully it stops being crappy out and gets a little bit warmer. It's only maybe 45, 40 out. So I'm out here in a sweatshirt and a Carhartt sweatshirt, and I'm cold. My fingers are cold. So, but on that note, I'm gonna take the positive side off this battery here, so it don't fall and arc on anything or whatever. Well, I'll probably just take it completely out, so I don't have to worry about it arcing or anything, but I just figured I'd give you guys a little update. Kind of sucks that this one don't have sparks. I was kind of hoping it'd be an easy fix. But oh well. But I found two of these coils on eBay, and one was going for $45 and the other one was going for $35. I was bidding on the one with the $35 because they had the one wire goes from the top coil down to the bottom. It was fixed at some point in time. The wire was either ripped off or tore off or maybe chewed. They had it wired back up with a little wire nuts on it. So just gonna buy that one and fix the wiring on it, and go from there. But sadly, that one went more than the other one that had no issues, no wire issues or anything. The one I was bidding on went for like $65, I think it was. The one that had no wire issues or anything, it's perfect. That one went for like, I think it was like 52 or 53. So, and I totally forgot all about that one too. Everything was already yeah, it's already done and said for. So I lost out on 2 of them. Kind of sucks. Sorry guys, I gotta put you down somewhere. Put you down right there maybe. But man, kind of sucks. Kind of hoping to get one of these damn Super 12s going, but I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Had a guy text me 2 days ago about having 2 Sears Suburban 12s that he was moving out of state. He was gonna give it to me, and well, sweet. Bad thing was is he was 2 hours and 30 minutes away, which I was still gonna go, even if I had to part them, you know, take them apart and load them in the back of my car. I don't care. But and then leave the frames there or whatever. Like a gift. Yeah, I'll take them. He was just gonna give them to me, so all I have to do is, you know, supply the gas money to go up there. So, but I was like, okay, cool. You know, just let me know when you go up or want to head up or whatever. I'll give you directions. You know, etc. And I was like, I told him I was gonna show up. We tried to show up on maybe Friday morning or Saturday morning. And, you know, they sent me back with the directions and whatnot. And I waited, didn't hear nothing. Waited again. Still didn't hear nothing. Day goes by, I text him again, you know. I'd like to get the directions for it before, you know, Friday comes up. So, at the latest would be Thursday, I'd like to get them. And waited and waited and never heard anything. So, I texted him again, you know, if you know, changed your mind or whatever, or decided you're not moving and want to keep them, you know, just let me know. You know, I ain't gonna be butthurt about it, but I'd like to know instead of this silence bullcrap. And still haven't heard anything back from him. So, but did clean the shop up a little, guys. Not a whole lot, but a little. But I can actually come in and see stuff. I got more bench room now. I got the booster pack over there. I gotta find another place to put that. What I need to do is go through my scrap pile down there again and sort that out. But had to take a little bit of a piece out of my bench here, wood here, to fit the radio down in there. And after I did that, I got inside and lying in bed trying to sleep. I was like, well, I really didn't need to cut that. I could have just turned the whole radio sideways and fit it in there. But oh well, it's nothing major. It's only a small chunk, so. But oh well, it won't be too hard to replace that board anyways if I wanted to. So all I'd have to do is, you know, bang this plywood up, and then bang it that way, and bang the board towards me, and the whole board will come right off. But anyway, like I said, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. I need to go through the wiring on this, cause this it's on. I'm wondering, that there is auxiliary. I gotta turn it all the way to the left. So I'm not sure if that's gonna work or not. Then again, I don't even know if it needs to be started or anything. Nope. So, but you can take the key out though. All the way to the left. Turn it all the way. And get the key going the wrong way now. Okay. But you turn it to the right, you can't take the key out either way. But it'll start if I keep turning right. See? Sounds like the battery's dead. It's weird. Alright. Giving me some BS here. Did I turn the gas off? I think I did. Gas still on. Might be empty, but or low. Maybe we just need more throttle, I don't know. Might be how to go maybe. I don't think I ever put any gas in it since I got it. Kind of sounds empty, but there's some gas in there, so I don't know. Move some of this junk out the way. Try her out, I guess. Yeah, she definitely don't like the idle at all. But it was kind of dumb on my fault. Touched the end of it, and yeah, she works. She lit me right up. But that's alright. I've had worse burns than that before, so. Yeah, like that one right there. Yeah. So yeah, I've definitely had worse burns than that. So ain't the first time, ain't gonna be the last. But yeah, she's a little stubborn. Getting running. She's been sitting for a couple days, but as soon as you press that clutch in and give it a little less choke, she'll fire right up. But she's just temperamental and you don't press that clutch in. But got a little update in the car. Show you as soon as I get my whole poking butt over there. As you can tell, I went through the garage. There's the old sunroof and the V-dub. Gotta get rid of that. So, but this is a new decal on both sides. But yeah. So, alrighty guys.